Welcome to my channel. My name is once again Michael. This is Cotp update, and I'll keep updating everybody to understand, to know what is currently happening, from where I'm getting this information from, and we are watching what is happening. We will see how it goes. Our money are being trapped there, and I'm not giving up. I know they came in with a very nice robot system planted, but at the end a lot happened. One is because of because of the crypto crash, a lot happened to them and they are yet to recover. For them to even go into partnership with Binance, I know something good is going to come out. And there are a lot of people that have invested, companies that have invested into this platform, and I know there are people behind it have integrity, and I know some of them have told us to keep calm until money is being moved from cold wallet and we can't find it any again. That's when you stop hearing from me on Cotp. So guys, welcome to my channel. The bell icon, the subscriber button is your friend. Just click it so that you get notified when I drop a new video like this about Cotp, so you know what to do next. You know how to see if you can get your money out of the system. Investors funds has been transferred gradually to their various wallet. You understand? So this is what is happening currently in Cotp. So this is it. So let's walk you guys through. Quick update. I've been trying to keep a very eye on Cotp transfer of investors' funds to their various wallets, and what I have also realized is that they have not been touching the cold wallet since no one is withdrawing. Cotp has a lot of big boys, big companies who invested huge amounts of money, and I'm telling you people that if they come back, Binance will be irrelevant, because of the Cotp company is going to wipe off everything, and all big companies around the globe will move to work with them. If this is true, if this information I'm getting here is true, I'm telling you guys, we're in a big run for money. Be ready for big business. Good. Secondly, immediately Cotp comes back, I will urge everyone to change his or her password, either login password or transaction password. There are major companies who invested in Cotp with the amount starting from $80 million. You understand? There are so many companies, $80 million, $120 million. So many of them that invested into this company. So I know for those kind of companies to move and do this kind of investment, there must have been some checks and background they have done to do that. So let's keep hope alive. I'm hoping. I'm hoping. Now, and also their Excel file I have now is now about 200 and is still counting. Even right now, and I'm downloading another 200, and the way they are doing their transaction, it does not take minimum again to rather a second. So have patience. I want everybody to have patience. Patience is key, for we are going to smile again. To me, I will keep trading till I'm fed up. Cotp to the moon. Copied. So Cotp to the moon, guys. Copied. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, and then bell icon to get notified whenever I drop a new video. I would love to hear from you guys on Cotp, and I would love you guys to give me your feedback. What do you think? Which of video do you want me to do? Which information do you want me to bring out to the open, so you guys can know what is happening on this channel? If you are new, guys, kindly do the bell icon, subscribe button to get notified whenever I drop a new video, and I'll be very happy. My WhatsApp link is going to be in the description of this video. Get in touch with me so I can hear from you. and know how much you invested, and then know if it's your first time of doing something like this online. I'll be very glad you do. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.